best data entry platforms for beginners, where to apply today. As a beginner looking to jumpstart your data entry career, finding the right platform is crucial. We've done the research and compiled a list of 3 user-friendly platforms that offer gigs suitable for beginners. 1.guru.com, the global platform with a massive user base. Freelancer offers a wide range of data entry tasks, from simple keyboard typing to more complex projects. To apply, create an account, browse available gigs, and start bidding on tasks. The platform offers a competitive pricing structure and a user-friendly interface for both clients and workers. 2. Upwork, the popular platform for skilled freelancers like data enthusiasts. With a vast network of clients worldwide, Upwork offers a seamless application process. Create an account, set up your portfolio, and complete a simple background check to apply for an Upwork account. Be prepared to showcase your skills and projects. 3. Fiverr, a marketplace designed for low-cost, high-quality services. Fiverr caters to beginners and offers a variety of data entry gigs. To apply, create an account, complete a seller authentication process, and start offering your services. Keep in mind that Fiverr primarily targets gigs for small businesses, but you can still find opportunities for beginners. To sum up, the application process on these platforms is relatively simple and involves creating an account, showcasing your skills, and bidding on tasks. Each platform has specific requirements based on the service. They probably consider your skill set and the type of gig you want to offer before applying. These 3 platforms are perfect for beginners looking to kickstart their data entry career. Remember to research each platform thoroughly and follow their guidelines to ensure a smooth application process. Happy data entry!